Hi there. Are you ready for today's science topic? Let's explore something that happens to all of us, especially after a scratch or a fall. Today's big question is, how does a wound heal? What really happens inside your body when you get a cut? Let's find out. Did you know your skin is the largest organ in your body? It's like a strong shield that protects you from dust, dirt, injury, and germs. It has three main layers. First, the epidermis, which is on the outside, then the dermis in middle, and then the fatty subcutaneous tissue underneath. When your skin is whole, it keeps you safe. But what if you get a cut? Well, then the skin breaks open, blood vessels underneath also open up and start to bleed, and germs try to sneak in. Your body needs to fix this really fast. So, step one is to stop the bleeding. Your blood has special cells called platelets. They rush to the cut and form a sticky plug to stop the bleeding. This plug later dries up into something we all know as scab. It's like a natural band-aid. Next step is when the white blood cells come in. These are your body's little soldiers. They fight any germs that try to get in. They even clean up the damaged cells. And that's why the area might look a little red or even swollen. This just means that your body is hard at work. Third step, it's time to rebuild. New skins start growing to fill in the gap. As new tissue forms, the scab slowly falls off, and underneath you've got a brand new skin. Your body just did some amazing repair work. Want to help your wound heal faster? Here are some quick tips. Wash it gently with water, clean water. Keep it clean and dry. And most importantly, don't pick the scab. Let your body do its job. Now let's go over what we learned today. A cut breaks your skin and lets germs in. Platelets clot the blood and form a scab. White blood cells fight the germs and clean up. New skin cells grow to close the wound. Alright, now it's the quiz time. Let's begin. What forms a scab? Red blood cells, platelets, white blood cells. Think about the sticky plug that stops the bleeding. Nice job. Platelets are the ones who rush in and make that scab. They are the body's little patch crew. Next question. What do white blood cells do? Fight germs, form new skin, make muscles grow. They are the ones that protect the wound. So think over it. Exactly. They attack and destroy the germs that try to sneak in. All right. Third question. What should you avoid doing to a scab? Wash it, pick it, keep it dry. Remember what can slow down healing? You got it. Picking a scab can delay healing and cause infection. So, hands off. All right, last question. What is the first thing that happens when the skin is cut? New skin grows immediately. Platelets form a scab. Skin breaks and germs enter the area. Think back to that first step. That's right. Skin breaks and germs enter the area. That's when your body kicks off its amazing healing process. All right. Good job, everyone. Great job, little healers. Now you know exactly what happens behind the scenes when your body fixes a cut. Keep learning and take care of your amazing skin.